Shoaib Malik comes in. He had a nice outing last night.
Shoaib Malik. And he's hoisted this over extra. I tell you what, that feels good for the Pakistani all-rounder.
Backs up a bit, and again, over that short cover, back-to-back boundaries. Oh, we'll have to see for the square leg pass. Straight away a no ball and a boundary. It's a free hit.
Oh, and it's clean.
He's got all of it. That's 6. Over extra cover. Punishment for the bowler. That was bowled very wide. He still manages to get bat on it. Over gully. That's 4. Drives that one. That's very well done through that fielder. That's his 50 as well. Bowler's not happy. Why would he be? Low full toss. He's played it high. That should be the 6th, 10 of the first 2.
Shoaib Malik.
Oh, this will go just over the fielder. What was he doing? He should be on the rope. That's in the air, and has it been taken? Yes, it has. You can tell by the expression Ronnie finally takes it. It's a very good catch. He was angry with himself because he's dropped one, but they've dismissed Malik on the last ball. And has he already damaged them enough? 185 for 5 after 20.